Good afternoon. My name is Badal Chaudhary from BTech Computer Science branch. Today I am going to explain how I had made the Superhero Hunter project and how it will work behind the user interface, what code I had applied and how they were impacting to the page. So let's go for it. This is my screen. As you've seen, this is visible. Here the website shows Superhero Hunter project. This is the website shows according to the user search, it will search the data according to the user relevant search. So I'm going to search for the example Batman. It will shows here the Batman result. Here the option I had already added, that is the add favorite list, add to the favorites list. If I click here, then it will save it for the favorites zone. Now for checking this, I will click here to the check that is really added or not. So here the favorite list, according to the data, it will just added as a Batman. Here the more option for the delete from the favorite zone. So I will practically show you how it will delete from this zone. So this is my website which is working. Now I will cover the explanation with three categories, where the first one is HTML, second one is CSS, and the third one is JavaScript. So now I am moving to the HTML. An HTML is an acronym which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating web pages and web application. Here you can see on my screen what the HTML code I had written behind this. Here the HTML code written behind the project. Here it contains the container. As you see, this is the welcome to the superhero universe. It is nothing but the head of the project, and this container store the superhero hunter. Now we are moving to the CSS part. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. CSS is used to define the style for your website page, including the design, layout, and variation in the display for the different devices and screen. Here I had used CSS for making our website for more attractive. Now I'm going to show you what CSS I had used in this page. Here the actual CSS I had used, where this is the body and this is the background image what I have added to the background, and no repetition, where we have added the size to the cover, where the background attachment has a fixed, and the font family according to this. Here the text font are arranged, and the color I had added, this is nothing but the white color. Now you are checking all this is the selectors and selectors properties and properties and values, and what selector I had added. As you've seen on my screen, this is all CSS work behind the project. Now I'm moving to the JavaScript. This is the JavaScript code. I had used vanilla JavaScript for making this project. Vanilla JavaScript is the fastest, lightweight cross-platform framework for building and implement powerful JavaScript application. Okay, now I'm showing you what function actually working behind the JavaScript. Here the function get search superhero. Here I had created the search superhero function. Basically, it make the search bar to find out relevant item by the user. It's work according to them. Okay. Okay, now I'm showing you how another will work. Here the URL that I had added. What happened here, whenever user hit the search button on the API, then behind the search actually this URL get fetch the relevant data and display the data. This search bar dot value will help to search the data. Now we are moving to the next. Here if search, here uses if function, where it will show if search has doesn't match, then it will show the error. Now moving to the 73 line. Here and it migrating through the it here and creating the hero card for each heroes, where line 50 it will fetch the data result in the data variable.